Fams, Life CaityB back in the building with another reaction video of MommaB, and we're going to be doing a single reaction for you guys.
Start again.
What's up fams, Life CaityB back in the building with another reaction video of MommaB, and we're going to be doing a single reaction for you guys today. So we got here Intentions remix by Cho.
Correct for a little while.
No, because I saw the ch for Chaz, and then I saw Joe and then...
Do it again. Go.
Anyways guys, sorry, I just fobbed up big time. So today we're going to be reacting to the Intentions remix by Joe,
Chaz,
and Junez.
Yeah.
So thank you to the bro Chaz, also known as Chaz on Instagram, Chaz the dog, for messaging on IG for us to react to their remix. So pretty keen to see what it's like, and knowing Intentions has been playing on the radio 24/7. So yeah, the Justin Bieber one.
Yummy.
No, you're not.
Please subscribe to Feta Tracks.
Yeah, if you guys want to see more tracks as well. Yeah, I have that information to the track down in the description box for you guys to check out, so please support our bros. Alright, let's get to the track.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Ooh. I think it's wearing slides.
Oh, Bieber sings it.
Yeah.
Picture perfect, she don't need no filter. Flawless, make him drop a digit killer. Show you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions.
Are these his own words or
No,
is
it's the
that
actual song directly.
Oh, so word for word.
I can see you.
Okay. Sorry, I live under a rock.
Yeah.
No, it's isolation.
Yeah.
I haven't been out of the house for over a week.
Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity, make sure that you
voice is amazing.
yeah, these are my only intentions. I'm thinking, I'm drowning up on my stress. You pull me, you save me, you get me out of this mess. But I don't really care what people really think, 'cause you're the only one that never stop believing. Ever since the first date, when I saw your face, I just knew straight away that you'll be my base. 'Cause you look so damn fine with that body. No one needs to know we got a little naughty. 'Cause people
Thanks, mate.
cause I get a little crazy. All I want is you, but that's on the daily. All I wanna do is cruise, yeah. Have a little sip of some booze, yeah. You in my arms is a blessing. I will give you all of my attention. It's everything I said to you. Baby, these are my intentions. Everybody knows who you are.
No, it sounds like a song. Bro, I see what you did there. Fuck, all their voices are so good.
Nice.
Wow, this guy's voice right here.
They all work together. Imagine if they did their own song and just...
So this is Junez. So it's going in order. Chaz was the middle, yeah.
So it's totally, totally different.
Yeah.
To what's happening out there.
Their voices are amazing. This guy's voice right here, man.
Nice and soft.
Bloody hell.
They saw no bloody hell.
Yeah, even though you never show it, people notice that you are the only star. Tell me if you want to come with me. Baby, you're the cure to my disease. Could you give me relief from the pain? Girl, it's getting harder to see.
Oh, that's the Feta Tracks guy. I'm sure that's him.
You don't need no filter. Go just make him not bed, you're a killer. Shower you with all my...
I mean, he sings in...
Yeah. So he did covers with, I don't know if it's his sisters or cousins, or probably a mix, but they do covers and they've been booming on YouTube, Instagram and that. Yeah, man, this guy's voice is sicky, man.
These are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, catch your own breath. Heart full of equity, I'm invested. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Girl, these are my only intentions.
Hey. Oh, these guys are so cool and goofy, man. Dang, that's it. Sort of reminds me of gives me like if you guys know Bitna Brown, it sort of gives me that vibe.
No, yeah.
Like lovey-dovey type of songs. Oh man, I like that.
If you get away vibes now.
I love these vibes, man. Oh,
Very nice. I like it.
man.
I wish it was their own song, though.
Yeah.
But that's very nice.
Yeah, you guys would be a good trio,
Yeah,
man.
their voice suit
Yeah.
that kind of style.
The harmonies and oh man.
So that guy Fitter Tricks, he's very talented. He
Yeah.
sings,
So
produces it on film.
yeah,
Wow.
bro.
Man.
So what do you think of the track,
Nice.
MommaB?
I think it was nice. I'll give it a 8. The visuals, the voices, there's a beautiful voice. Very nice. Those are very
the rapping,
nice.
yeah.
Imagine him singing some
Yeah.
songs, yeah.
Oh,
On the
oh,
guitar.
man, I can imagine.
Oh.
You know, I want to hear you guys do your own music, like own beats, own music. I would love to hear it, and you guys better let us know when you guys do drop a track. I'll be so keen to react to it. Definitely add to my playlist. This is a banger, man.
Yeah.
This is a good track. Come on, this
Subscribe
deserves
to
more
Fitter
attention.
Tricks.
Yeah.
Support the brothers. Support him. He does the filming's nice.
Yeah, filming's
very
nice.
nice.
And I like how goofy they are. It's
Yeah,
like
goofy.
a stupid. Yeah, really goofy. Coronavirus. Overall, it's
What
just
did you
pretty
give it?
sicky. Yeah, I give it an 8. I give it an 8 as well. I feel like there's still. I feel like it still needs a little bit more, but it's really good. It's really good. I really like it, bro. Yeah, thank you for messaging us and requesting for us to react to this vid. I appreciate it heaps. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that reaction, fam. I know you guys are gonna go check this track out and put it in your playlist. Much love to you guys. Stay safe. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. Let us know what you guys thought and what you guys think of the track. I have the information to the track down in the description box below for you guys to check out. But yeah,
PolyMovement,
fam.
they got really
Good voices.
nice voices. Did I tell you I used to...
So we're gonna end the video here, fams. But I know MommaB's got the best voice in the world.
No, I used to.
Oh.
Did I get brief to you?
And I take it.
No, hurry up.
Stay safe, fams. Much love. See you on the next video. Bye.